All right, good morning, friends. Today we're going to be talking in lesson 15 about some frosting, ing. We're going to be adding it to some words together. Let's take a look at that. All right, friends, I have some words. These words are all peanut butter and jelly words. And I decided while I was sitting at home to invent a delicious new sandwich, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with some chocolate frosting on it. We're going to add the ing frosting to the peanut butter and jelly sandwich word at the top of our list. Now, I'm going to prep myself. I've now made it a to-be word. We're going to read it. I don't want to get confused with the part I'm not as familiar with. So first, I'm going to look for my vowel friends, say the word, and then blend the ing, which makes the ing sound. I have OA. I know that makes the O sound. LOD, load, and now add the ing, loading. I'm going to go to our next word, add the ing, and let's follow the same again. We're going to do the same procedure. We have AI, makes the A sound, R with the N with the N. Let's blend it together. Rain, rain, and then add my ing, raining. Let's add it to our next word. We have an EE vowel pattern. I know that makes the E sound. We have F, F, D, D, F, E, D. Now add your ing, feeding. Last one. We're going to add it, our frosting, to our peanut butter and jelly. We have an EA, and D. Read, read, add that ing, reading. All right, friends, we have a brand new word. And what do we do when we see a new word? We look at the whole word first. The second step we take is to look for the vowel pattern, but sometimes the ing frosting makes it hard to see the vowel pattern. So when you see the ing frosting, I want you to put on your brakes, cover it up. Then we'll continue to look at our word. We know the OA vowel pattern makes the O sound. We have our FL at the beginning, which makes the fla, T with T. Let's blend that together. Float, float. Now we can add our ing to it. Floating, floating. All right, let's go back to this word. We looked at it once, loading. But we're going to divide this peanut butter and jelly word into different parts. So let's find the frosting or the fluff part first. Put a circle around the frosting and pretend that it's in a bowl. I circle my ing. Then I'm going to look for my vowel pattern. My vowel pattern is my OA. And I'm going to underline that. Then write the pattern underneath the word. So OA is going to come first, then a slash to separate them, and then my ending ing. And that is how I pattern mark a word that has a vowel pattern and a frosting. All right, friends, I have a new word, and every time I come to a new word, I look at the whole, and then I look for the vowel pattern. This is a layer cake vowel pattern word. So let's say this word together. I know A can say its name because of the E. Aid. Now I'm going to add the W to my word. Wade. On the end right here, I have some white fluffy frosting with the letter E. That allows that A to say its name. But I want to change my frosting in Wade to the ing ending that we've been practicing. So I erase my E or cross it out, and I'm going to add the ing. Now I'm going to blend it together. I remember that my word was Wade, and now I'm going to blend it with the ing. Wading. Wading. Wading in a pool of water. Wading. I'm going to do the same thing with my next word. I have this word. It's a new word, and I'm going to look at it, and then I'm going to look at the pattern. I'm going to pay attention to my O plate E vowel pattern at the end, and put my hand over the beginning of this word with my blend. O's, O's. Now I'm going to combine the beginning onto the end. I know CL makes the cl sound. Cl. O's. Close. Now I want to do the same thing that I did before. I want to make this an ing word. I erase my E. I add my ing ending. And now the word becomes closing. Closing. All right, friends, we're going to do a quick sight word review before we move on to our language development with some sentence practice and capitalization. Am, is, are, will, have, has. Are, is, am, will, have, has, have, will, are, is, am. All right, taking that sight word list that we just practiced, we've made a sentence. Am I nice? But I see some problems in this sentence. I know that the beginning of every sentence has to start with a capital letter. I'll cross that out and place an A over the top. And as I look at this sentence, am I nice, I notice that it's missing something at the end. I know for a thought to be finished, when I write it, it needs punctuation. Am I nice? I'm going to give that a question mark because I'm asking a question. All right, we have another list of familiar sight words. Let's practice the sight words twice, and then we're going to discuss these sight words a little bit more. Would, could, can, do, does, did. Would, could, can, do, does, did. Now, these sight words are very special when they come to a sentence. If you see one of these words at the beginning of the sentence, you know to end your sentence, you have to have a question mark. Let's practice writing a sentence with would. Would you like some gum? I've asked a question. I began it with one of my question words. I ended it with a question mark. All right, friends, this is the end of our video. You will see your assignments on Class Dojo. Please go ahead and work on your pages and your IXL. Talk to you soon.